Levbid tablets are a prescription medication used to treat various gastrointestinal conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, peptic ulcers, and other gastrointestinal disorders characterized by muscle spasms or excessive acid production. Levbid tablets contain hyoscyamin sulfate as active substance. Hyoscyamin is an anticholinergic medication that helps to relax smooth muscles, including those in the gastrointestinal tract. Indications: Levbid tablets are indicated for the relief of symptoms associated with gastrointestinal disorders, including abdominal pain, cramps, bloating, and excess stomach acid. How to use: Take Levbid tablets orally as directed by a healthcare professional. The usual dosage is 1 tablet taken 40 minutes to 1 hour before meals and at bedtime, or as directed by a doctor. For children over 2 years old, the recommended dosage is based on the child's age and weight, and should be determined by a healthcare professional. Contraindications: Don't use Levbid tablets if you are allergic to hyoscyamin sulfate or any ingredients in the product. Avoid Levbid tablets if you have certain medical conditions such as glaucoma, urinary retention, myasthenia gravis, or certain cardiac conditions. Special instructions: Levbid may cause drowsiness or dizziness. Avoid activities requiring mental alertness until know how the medication affects you. Inform a healthcare professional about all medications you are currently taking, as Levbid may interact with other drugs. Side effects: Common side effects of Levbid may include dry mouth, blurred vision, and constipation. Allergic reactions to hyoscyamin sulfate are rare but may occur. Seek medical attention if you develop signs of an allergic reaction, such as rash, itching, or difficulty breathing. Please note that Levbid tablets are a prescription medication and you should always follow the instructions provided by a healthcare professional. Do not adjust the dosage or stop the medication without consulting a doctor. If you experienced any adverse reactions or have concerns about using Levbid tablets, contact a healthcare professional promptly.